Hi, I'm Vesna. I'm a PhD student in my third year at NIOZ here on Texel, but also at Utrecht at IMO. And my project is about ocean currents around Curacao. As a big working group, we've been looking into many different things that are happening around the island. And specifically, I was working on measuring the ocean currents with the sensor that's called ADCP, Acoustic Doppler Current Profiler. It's a sensor that is mounted at the bottom of the vessel, and it looks downwards and it measures the currents at different depths. So you can either stay on one station and measure the currents, or you can move and measure along the transect. So we've been measuring that. It's been a lot of fun, just figuring out what is the best location to measure, for how long you should measure, how far from the coast.
This is an ADCP, an Acoustic Doppler Current Profiler. And with this instrument, we can measure current speed and direction. It has multiple eyes that send out acoustic signals that bounce with particles in the water column. And since the particles move with the water, we can measure the current speed and direction. We can mount this instrument at multiple frames, like this buoy for example, but also on the CTD. And we have one underneath the ship. So also underneath, at the bottom of this research vessel, we have an ADCP to measure the current speed and current direction. And we program that ADCP from the lab here. So we program the ADCP and then we can see the real-time data here on the screen in the laboratory.